nag-usap ko ng Mr. James Yu about this sa Mr. Friendship. Pwede po yung aming napili pareho. Yung gusto namin pareho. Pero good luck sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Guys!
Marquez, siya ang first ever, parang Miss Grand All-Star lang to.
Yes.
Actually, Miss Grand All-Star in a different kind of way, male version. Mr. International, Mr. Friendship International Philippines.
Pati po sa mga judges, sa mga influencer po natin, thank you po. Tsaka po sa mga customer. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
Min, agaw.
Libo na lang.
Kaya atin ko no, isang magandang pamasko rin po para sa akin po na binigay ng manager.
Oh, sweet mo mo. Reset ka. Sa inyong tatlo, you're already winners.
Our second runner-up for Mr. Bar 02025 is
Second runner-up pa lang yun, ha?
second runner-up pa lang to, ha? Again, so our second runner-up for Mr. Bar 02025 is candidate number ba? Napagod na yung suso.
Madam Lauren. Madam Susie.
Madam Susie.
Congratulations to Stephen Cass for winning the second runner-up. Mr. Boris Hero 2025. Dito ka muna.
And Sir Sed and Naijun, please come on the stage. We will be awarding now, actually, the main title, our first ever Mr. Bar 02025. So since we already have two boys left, so disclaimer, guys, I will be announcing the first ever Mr. Bars. Patitira po natin ay ang first runner-up. Again, I will be announcing the first ever Mr. Bar 02025. Okay?
Uy, good luck sa inyong dalawa.
Ever! Bakit ako galit?